friends, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be telling about how to get the perfect smooth shape. So before we get to the video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon for regular updates. So I'm a shaving girl, like I love to shave. I don't really like waxing because first it's painful, second it is expensive. I think waxings are more expensive than shaving, and thirdly waxing doesn't work on small hairs. For that you have to go with shaving. So today I'll tell you about how to get the perfect smooth shave, and along with that we'll be reviewing the Bombay shaving whole kit, the razor, the foaming, the shaving foam, the aftershave gel, everything. So I got it in a Nykaa sale and there was the whole package of it. This is the Bombay Shaving Company Defender razor. This is their charcoal shaving foam, and I got 2 cartridges along with this. Here I have used already one and this is the second cartridge left. As you can see, I just really wanted to try it out before I make reviews for you all. And I got this as well, post shaving balm, post shaving balm. And I also got a little bag with it, which I couldn't really find out where I have kept it. I just forgot. So I have got 4 items in a bag, and it costed around 750 to 800. I don't remember exactly. I'll put the link in the description box so that you can check it out later. Now coming to review, I'll just simultaneously review these products and will also tell you how to get the smoothest shave. Before you actually start to shave, you need to exfoliate your skin. Now either you can use physical exfoliators, or you can take a loofah and use shower gel and just scrub all over your body. Or you can take the physical exfoliants, like you can take body scrub of any company, or you can make the body scrub at your home, like many people make it with sugar and honey and lemon. So I'm really lazy person. What I do, I take my loofah and shower gel and just pour it and scrub it. So this way I just exfoliate my skin before, and then I apply a shaving foam. Now you can apply any shaving foam you have, or if you don't have a shaving foam, you can again apply your shower gel and can shave. You can also apply your conditioner and shave. You can also apply aloe vera gel and shave. So I have given you 3 options if you don't have a shower gel, but best I suggest go for a shower gel. Now coming to Bombay Shaving Cream shower gel. This one, as you can see, this is the charcoal shaving foam. Now I really liked it because it not only provides a smooth surface for shaving, but also I have felt after the shaving it provides a really radiant look. I feel like it just exfoliates your skin hard and just clean everything, the impurity. The charcoal is famous for that. So I really like the shaving foam of theirs. So after you are done with the foam, you have put the lather of the foam all around you. Then comes the main thing, that is shaving. So you have to shave your whole body wherever you want to shave. Now coming to the razor, this is known as Defender razor of Bombay Shaving Company. Now I really like this razor because when I shave, it was a very clean and smooth shave. There was no cuts. Like, to my surprise, there was no cuts. Till now, whatever razors I have used, there is a mild cut here or there. Like, I got used to that. But this one, it worked like anything. It didn't give me any cut. It was very smooth. It glided over the skin. And actually, I'd like to show you. There are 3 blades and 2 strips upper, the top part and the low part, and I think that works well for the clean shape. And I think its shape also plays a role in it, so that you don't have nicks and cuts. So yeah, that's it. And efficacy. About efficacy, I found that it is 90% efficient. It's not that the whole thing will be cleared at one time. You have to use it again to get a 100% clean shave. But I have used it without the foam also. Like, I was in a hurry and I just stood under the shower and just with bare water I just shaved, and then also it went a great smooth shave. My skin was not at all dry. Now actually some people say that after I shave my hair tends to get pokey and it grows back. It is the situation is like that when your skin gets too dry after shaving, or you haven't exfoliated your skin well. So with this, what I have found, your skin doesn't get dry at all. It's very smooth. Even like the bare shaving I saw, like without anything, there also it was very smooth. So for that, I really like this. The only complaint I have about this razor is that it does not really last very long. Like, I used the first the cartridge that came with this long. So I shaved around 4 to 5 times, and then I couldn't use it anymore. So I think that is a little very small amount of time you can shave with a particular razor. With this, I have used twice and still going. So yeah, except that it's a good razor. Like, I hoped it would have sustained a little longer, like at least 9 to 10 shaving, and then it would have been really good. But otherwise, it's great. Like, the smooth shaving and no dryness. The feeling is really great after you shave with it. But after you shave, you go with the post-shaving balm. I was provided with this one, and I find it really good. So after you have done your shaving, you just can put the lather all over your body. But is this enough? No. You have to put a body lotion on top of it. So yeah, I think it gives a cool, soothing effect, and this post-shaving balm is good. So that is it. Your whole shaving routine should be like exfoliate, shaving foam, shave, aftershave balm. If you don't have an aftershave balm, don't worry. You just take your body lotion, or you can even use aloe vera gel after shaving. Like, if your skin is very sensitive, you can use aloe vera gel, and then after some time you can use the body lotion. So I have given you a substitute for both the shaving foam and the after shaving balm. Now let me know if the shaving really works for you, and if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And so that's it for today. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.